Steel and thermoplastic construction designed to tight manufacturing tolerances for high durability and quality performance. Material: thermoplastic. Built to last with a superior resistance to dirt, salt, chemicals and other under-hood contaminants. OE quality fit for virtually every domestic or import vehicle on the road today. Bearings meet or exceed OE standards with application-specific speed and load requirements, to withstand high under-hood temperatures. Premium bearings eliminate bearing noise. DriveAlign Idler Pulleys provide OE quality fit to passenger cars and light trucks, performing as a locked center tensioning pulley, an automatic belt tensioner pulley or an idler pulley. Top reviews from the United States. Great product. A really good price and value. The pulley fit the car perfectly. The price was much better than the auto store. I returned the auto store purchase as this was the same product not cheaper.